What's good, y'all? We back with another video, man. How y'all doing? Hopefully y'all doing great today. Let me get y'all my screen now. But today we got Florida man drives. I said Florida man drive. Florida man driving stolen box truck. Nigga in a box truck. Leads Deputy on a wild chase. First thing first, do not get mad at 23, bro. That shit is trash, my nigga. When I tell you this is trash, do not get it, bro. The whole passenger on fire. But cornerbacks are not even trying to go catch the pick. Wide receivers not trying to catch the ball. It's just a whole lot of trash going on. You don't even. I'm just gonna start the video, bro. But I tell you, it's not trash. You just don't get the game. Just don't get it. It's in beta mode right now. They lied to us. It's in beta mode. This shit is on 1080p. This nigga just pulled off in the box truck for real though? Oh, what? Nigga pulled off in the box truck, bro. If you could see that I-75, what's the pros? Damn, but I'm in the headquarters, ain't it? Shit. Bro, they got like 5, 6, 7 police cars on the. God damn, it's on loud, bro. They got like 7 police cars on one box truck, bro.
Speed, traffic conditions, please.
Nigga finna crash on that big ass box truck, bro.
Normal departure rate of traffic coming up to the light. Gonna turn westbound.
Real, bro. Bro, it's like he got 5 stars for real. He got hella people in there.
You know, try to stick out.
Ain't
I'm
no
not trying to
way.
get in front of me yet. Just at Oak Park, I'll put sticks here. Alright, going the wrong way on the interstate. On the southbound off ramp.
That's crazy. This nigga is in a box truck, bro. He gonna ran to the own sheriff.
From northbound on southbound side.
This nigga's literally in a box truck, bro.
Turn around.
These niggas is all over the. Oh, he right there. Why he didn't pull in front? I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I would have took that risk, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I would have took that risk. Soon as he coming, bro, I'm just gonna pull my car in front of you. Hop out the car. That's all he had to do. He was gonna run dead smack into you. He can't turn that fast in that big truck.
Westbound Arch Road.
I would have just took the risk, bro.
Did you fail?
He should have just ran up and then pull up.
Wrong way, Arch Road track.
Bro, imagine a big old box truck on the wrong side of the road, bro. Niggas would be. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, boy, what the hell? Ain't like, bro, this nigga got it, bro. Like, how was he getting off on a nigga in this truck, though? Like, I'm so confused. Like, he's literally like pulling his junk off. Like, he's literally pulling off on the police, bro. In a big old box truck, bro. Like, this junk is crazy. Bro, just stop. Bro, just stop the police on the other side of the road. Like, it's so easy, bro. Like, this nigga got it, bro. It's the wildest shot in every scene, bro. This nigga's crazy. Niggas in a stolen box truck, bro.
Where you at now? R393.
Nigga trying to tailgate that nigga.
Where eastbound? Or past Burger King eastbound?
Why they trying to make it so hard to stop this nigga, though?
Down the block eastbound speeds are about 60 miles an hour.
Bro, it's not here, bro.
Somebody in 7 units, 2300 Archer.
Bro, he not getting off in that box truck. I don't even know why he even trying to like pull out, like pull off.
Plaza. Northbound 37 Boulevard.
Oh shit, he just snagged that bitch, didn't even kill.
Hey, pulling into the Best Buy.
Damn, bro. Whoever caught that, I know them niggas mad. They gonna be like, bro, what the fuck? Come on, bro. They gonna be mad.
Bring up my vehicle also.
Nigga pulled out. Nigga got a box truck. He's still getting off on the nigga, bro. But don't tell me he got away. He got away, bro. Y'all pathetic.
Back on Archer Road, I am now the lead vehicle. Oh, signal 4 to a ASO K9, still eastbound place P. Hey, you good?
Bro, just shoot his tires out or something, bro. Like, bro. I don't know, bro.
Alright, we are at
At this
35th
point, the nigga don't
Boulevard,
kill.
still
He just
eastbound,
don't
wrong side of the
kill.
road, coming up to 34th Street.
Like, when did this even happen? Like, I'm so confused, bro.
Trying to get to it. Speed 60 mile an hour. Do you have any lag at ASO units? I hit a ride. Northbound 34th Street. Northbound
Let me see
34th Street.
something, bro. Did they even catch this nigga? Bro, he's still driving?
Alright, we're still continuing northbound, passing
Bro,
the
oh
Metro
my
Diner.
god. They even put the GTA loading screen music in. Y'all hear that song? No way, bro.
We need to help us, guys. We need to stop this now.
Stand by.
I don't know. Are they gonna catch this nigga, bro?
Attention, man. We are going through the Metro Diner Plaza. Through Metro Diner Plaza. We're on 34th.
Niggas real live on some GTA shit. Bro. This is somebody doing it on the GTA game on God, bro. I do some stuff from the game, bro.
Attention, man. Again, coming back out on the 34th Street. Going back southbound on 34th.
Oh, they on his head. Oh! That nigga hit like a front and backflip on them niggas, but yeah. Ain't no way, bro.
Going back southbound on 34th.
I thought that nigga finna run the nigga over. Yeah, can't on his ass. Damn, man. Nigga really thought he was finna get off in the box truck, bro. How you did all that for nothing? You not getting off in there, bro. Nigga, we're not trying to go to the street. Nigga, we're not trying to get in. Man, this joint here crazy, bro. Man. I had never seen anything like this, bro. On the day of my life, bro. Like, this is crazy, bro. Like, I just don't understand. Like, how did this even? I don't know, bro. Hopefully, you guys like the video, bro. Until next time, man.